Alright guys, welcome to the Wednesday direction video. Moving along with our ancient Greece unit. Yesterday we did a bunch of notes. Today we're looking at the other side of the story. So yesterday we looked at the Persian War with the Battle of Marathon, the Battle of Thermopylae, the Battle of Salmi, those three big battles, and we saw the Greek side of things. So we spent a lot of time talking about Sparta and Athens and kind of focusing on Greece. And now we're going to kind of take a step back and look at the other side of the coin. We're going to look at Persia. All right. So you had the Engineering and Empire video right here. I have the hard copy of one. I could not find one on YouTube, so I kind of had to use this website. So hopefully it's not too dicey. I think it's going to work. But so if you're at home, you'll watch this one. If you're in class, you'll watch the hard copy. So that's that. I have a video guide that goes with it. Right here, and again, for this one, you're not going to be able to make a copy. So on a separate Google Doc, just have 18 different numbers marked, and then you just answer the question. Okay, so these are all fill in the blank, or not fill in the blank. These are all kind of fill in the blank questions. I don't know. My mind's is filling in the blank right now. So just go through it, answer all of the questions on a separate Google Doc or on a piece of paper, and turn it in. I think the video is like 45 minutes, something like that, so not a ton of time, just like a normal class period. So go through, fill it out. The key people we want to keep an eye on, okay, the key people we want to keep an eye on is obviously Cyrus the Great, okay, so you got to make sure why he's the great. Darius we talked about yesterday, but again, we want to know him, or Darius, as some people say. And then obviously Xerxes was the guy that we focused on yesterday a lot, so make sure you know Cyrus, Darius, Xerxes for sure. And then at the end, it's going to kind of be a little bit of a preview for when we talk about Alexander the Great moving forward. Okay, so a lot of the stuff is reviewed from yesterday, just the other side of the coin. And then the last question is more of a preview for what we're going to be talking about probably Monday, I would say, will be Alexander the Great's day. So that's it. Watch the video, answer the questions, turn it in. Pretty simple day. Other housekeeping notes, November 18th, it's a Wednesday, is the last day to turning missing work. But you can still turn stuff in up to that date and you get 70% on it. So you're never out of the ball game. You can go from a 0% to a 70% in one day if you worked hard at it. So that's that, November 18th. Make sure you're checking in either before your hour or right at the beginning of your hour when I'm taking attendance. Obviously, if you're checking in 15, 20, 30, 40 minutes late, you're going to be marked on excuse because I take attendance at the hour. So make sure you're checking in on time and not getting yourself into some odd situations that way. All right, that's it, guys. We'll do this tomorrow. We're going to continue on with the second half of our notes, the last 30 slides, so look out for a little longer directions video tomorrow. All right, guys, talk to you later. Have a good day. I'll see some of you guys later.